Have you ever thought about who might have access to your home or business? In today's world, securing your property is more important than ever, and lock rekeying is one of the best ways to do it. At 247GTA Locksmith, we offer top-notch rekeying services for Toronto residents, providing peace of mind without the expense of replacing all your locks. Whether you've just moved, lost a key, or experienced a security issue, rekeying is a cost-effective solution to keep your property secure. But what exactly is lock rekeying? It involves altering the internal workings of a lock so it works with a new key, rendering the old key useless. This process is faster and more affordable than replacing the entire lock. A skilled locksmith removes the old pins and installs new ones, ensuring only the new key can open the lock. So, if you're looking to upgrade your security without the hassle, consider lock rekeying. It's a smart, efficient way to protect what matters most.